Instagram, Facebook. I told you I got my Grant Cardone Capital check. I told you I'd go buy my Starbucks, and I gave the guy a $2 tip. He was shocked. Lucky, I'll give you $3, guy. $3.85 for the Emperor's Cloud Hot Tea. Another $2 tip, man. And I can do it one more time this week. I'm like the bank, man. It's like me smoking a big cigar. Or drinking a wine with my cute girl on my side. But for me, it's drinking my Emperor Cloud Hot Tea, knowing that gas is $5.09 at that Chevron on Mountain View off the 10 freeway. It's at $4.49 on a Waterman off of Orange Grove, off of Hospitality. I got, check was about $40, man. I got gas, brothers. I'm covered for the week, man. I don't have to touch any of my money. Hey, I can even go eat too, man. Maybe I go visit Panda Express. I got all kind of money left over. That's why I'm like the banks. Take care of yourself first, then take care of the bank.